Ow! That hurt. I recommend to not pull these things off. Oh. The joys of rushing, because I've got plans tonight and I need to be there now.
Oh hey, what's up you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I honestly had a lot of fun with this look and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off. This tongue is way too heavy, so I'm gonna take it off first. Oh. Wait, watch this. I can't even properly smile with the latex on my face. So let's take it off. Okay, ready? Didn't feel that. And of course, how can I leave you without any nightmare fuel? Okay, but can we get a nice satisfying stripe here? I think yes. Okay, one more, then I'm gonna shower. I took a shower and my nose is slightly stained, but other than that, I am all clean now.
It is time to take this makeup off. Let's get these contacts out. Okay, great. Love that. Ow. I heard that if you use tape, that glitter comes off easier, so I'm gonna test that out. Okay. That literally got all of it off. Like before and after. I'm gonna do this side too. Getting the forehead. I think that's pretty good, so now I'm gonna start wiping it off with my makeup towel. Get the lips. Thanks for watching.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Hi guys, welcome to me hurting myself by taking off makeup. Let me get these contacts out. Let's get some of these gems off. Ow. Let's get these mustache gems off. Oh my god. It feels like I'm waxing my lip. Ow. Let's get this one off and this one. All these forehead gems. I'm gonna use this piece of tape to try and get some of the glitter off. I forgot I had eyelashes on. I'm gonna go shower.
Hey there, little freaks. You know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I'm pretty proud of this one. Like, this is one of the my most favorite looks. I know what I'm saying. I can't talk, but I know what I'm saying. I will stop talking so you guys can enjoy the quality ASMR. Lovely. A lot of you guys are recreating my looks and I love it. It's amazing. I love it when you tag me in your videos. But I rip latex off of my skin because my skin is numb. If it hurts to take off, please use warm water and oil. I will soon be posting a tutorial for that look. And have a great day, you guys.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my TED.
Keep getting asked how to remove your makeup without stripping your skin or causing irritation. So let me show you today using the Inky List. I'm using the Oat Cleansing Balm. First, I always dampen my face with some water, and then I go in with the cleanser. When I have a lot of makeup on like today, I use a little bit more water on my face, just so the cleanser would slide on my skin better. And I just take my cleanser, rub it through my fingers, and start rubbing it on my face. I do this until I see everything kind of smeared around. That's how I know it's successfully removed. As you can see here, looking like a little raccoon. When we smear everything around, the only thing that's left is washing your face with water. As you can see, we're completely clean. I followed that up with some hyaluronic acid, and after that, a collagen booster. And in the end, some peptide moisturizer. And of course, for my eye area, some retinol eye cream. I use a cold massager to rub it in, and that's it. The Old Cleansing Balm is my new absolute favorite.
It's time to take this off. Isn't it cute though? Okay, well, these aren't my real eyes, so I'm gonna take these out. Yeah. I put these little candies on with liquid latex. Let's get the other side. Oh! Last one. I think these are edible. That does not taste good. Gotta get these eyelashes off. There's one. There's two. Now we're gonna wipe this off. Thanks for watching. This is what 100 layers of liquid lipstick looks like. Don't ask me why I did this. But now I'm gonna take it off. This took me like an hour. The first swipe. Why are my lips kind of numb? Get the teeth. Some cleansing balm. More. Now some cleanser. Some mouthwash. And now some Kiehl's lip balm. My lips only kind of feel like they're gonna fall off, and I probably consumed enough lipstick to kill me. But this is how we're looking.
Okay, so you guys want to see me take this off. You want me to peel it off my face. And I'm here for you. Let's peel it off. My face looks a little rough because I was just packing for 5 hours. So let's just ignore that. I would take out the lenses first. Get out of my eye, weirdo. Now the lashes. And finally the chains. One dangly chain down and one to go. Easy! Dogs are weird, bro. And finally, the makeup. Looking as hot as ever. Took the makeup off and I'm gonna go pack. I have to go on a 5-hour trip right now, so pray for me, besties.
I will never understand why you guys blow up the videos of me taking off my makeup in reverse. Like, I don't even know why I bother making videos of me putting on the makeup at this point. Honestly, I should just put it on, leave it there for 2 seconds, and then wipe it off and throw it in reverse. Because that's what TikTok wants. They will put me on the For You if
The time has come to take this off. But where do we start, you may ask? Well, let's take these fins out that I bobby pinned to my wig and this crown. Remove these beautiful, luscious blue locks. Oh my. Believe it or not, my eyes are not actually yellow. Let's take these out. I'm about to be Spain without the S. Let's do that again. Oh my god. My cheeks are actually throbbing. Let's see what this does. I'm gonna go shower. Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. Take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time
To take it off again.
Yeah. This was a lot of fun to do.
Yeah.
It was so much fun.
My teeth are black.
Lucky. Mine are yellow. This is what you get for drinking 5 cups of coffee a day. Would you like me to demonstrate the latex?
Yes.
Okay. You just find a side and you go for it.
Does it hurt?
No.
Oh.
Is that in your hair?
Yeah, it is.
Ouch.
No.
How does that feel?
It doesn't hurt at all.
Would you like to take the other side off together?
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Beauty at its finest.
Tears.
Face clean.
Tongue stained. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah. Part of it. Ah. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I used some spirit gum remover. I can't. I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower.
Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup, I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you.
Take off my makeup with me, zombie edition. Let's get rid of these contacts. There's one. There's two. Okay, here we go. That looks good. All right, gotta get this one off the forehead. I'm in pain. Love that for me. Let's get this spicy little number off my neck. My cheek looks so chunky. I don't know if this is ever coming off.